Good morning, guys. So I woke up this morning feeling pretty horrible. It's fine now, but I had some headache. My voice is a little bit weird. But today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to myself. I feel like I'm already feeling a little bit better, so I'm just gonna keep going, hoping that I will feel much better. Let's start our day. Oh, give me. Good morning, Nelly. Did you sleep well? Alright. Come here, Chocolate. I want a hug too. Come here, buddy.
Too heavy.
So I am planning to do something really fun today. I was hoping to go to the beach, and I want to do like a little paint night with cookies with play, and that's something I wanted to do for a while. I think it's fun. Paint night, the girls' paint night. What I have to do, I'm gonna make the icing cookies for the paint night.
Mama, that's not the words.
What? And I'm going to make a lunchbox so that we can eat at the beach. And
Eat on the beach? Mama, that's not a scent at the beach. It's the park.
park. Maybe beach today. So it's gonna be a fun day as long as I will feel healthy. Lily, today's Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. One more time.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yay, thank you, Lily. So, let's get started. I'm going to eat Manuka honey because they're awesome when you feel sick. Hey, where are you going?
I'm going to the beach. Excuse me, guys. Here.
And then
Water. There we go. Mama, we forgot this one.
Okay.
Mom should got that one.
Got it.
Please get
Ready.
it.
And Mama's gonna get ready, okay? Okay. Cheers. I look like I'm going to Safari Park.
Folly Park?
Safari Park. Are you ready?
Yes, me.
Chocolate, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Yeah. Let's take it off.
Are you cold? Do you want to sit down?
I want to keep it
Are
on.
you sure?
Know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you.
With all the colors, we're making a noise outside.
Outside? Oh. I didn't hear you. After you eat that, we can
Paint.
paint.
And now we can eat them.
After that, we can eat them.
Yeah. This one, is it too big?
here. Right here.
What?
Sparkling water.
Sparkling water.
We push together. Look at that. Wait for Mama. Wait for Mama. Mama is gonna add a little bit of this.
Be careful.
Okay.
I smell it. Good. Chocolate want to eat cookies.
Yeah. Okay, it's girls' paint night.
Yeah.
Toast together. Ready? Cheers to our friendship. Orange and maybe blue.
Look,
Ooh, I like it. What is it?
it's Mama.
Mama, I love it. Maybe Mama can do
Lily.
Lele? Lele.
And chocolate.
Lele and chocolate?
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso.
Look, Mama. Look.
From around the way you been give me the
I love it.
making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime,
Wow.
cashback. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
Look.
What is it?
It's lightning.
Lightning. Ooh.
Ta-da! Everybody like this.
What's that?
It's a giraffe.
My giraffe?
Yeah.
What's that, my giraffe?
It's a Lion King.
Lion King. Yeah, what's this?
It's a wind.
What? Wind?
Wind. Yeah.
Pick one.
This.
Okay.
She got the posture of a super
He has fluffy ears.
Fluffy ears.
yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise.
Look at you, Chocolate. You look like teddy bear. What do you like about Mama? Tell me what you like about Mama.
Cookie.
Cookie? But Mama's personality.
Cookie.
Cookie? What you like about Mama?
It's painted.
Painting? You can paint? Big shiny eyes.
That is chocolate. Look at my cookies gone.
What? How did that happen?
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. Keep brushing against
Mom, drink it off. I draw some more.
Yeah.
Okay.
who really care what Simon say.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. That sound. Okay, mommy's done. Ta-da! So this is, I tried to paint Ray Ray, but it looks so adult. So I'm just gonna make her mom, myself. And this is Chocolate. Chocolate look like an important person.
Chocolate.
You want a chocolate?
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat myself.
Ears. Cheers.
Is this even success?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ah. It's yummy in my tummy.
Oh, yummy.
Cheers again. That was so fun.
Was it? Do you want to do it again?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay.
I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's go to the cave.
Cave. I like that.
Let's go to the beach.
Beach again. I want to go to Disney World and go to Japan to see your grandma and grandpa. Your So-chan. You want to see So-chan?
So-chan.
So-chan, are you watching this?
So-chan is not here.
Here. No. We gotta go see him.
Yeah. So-chan, I'm going to see you later.
Later.
For some more. Happy Mother's Day.
Yay. Let me tell you about my mom. My mom's name is Ida.
Ida.
No, Aya. And my mom is 4 years old. No. You're gonna be 4. I like
No, Mama, I'm gonna be 3 years old.
you are now 3. You're gonna be 4. I like to play with my mom. Me too. My mom is really good at cooking. To relax, my mom works. My mom's favorite food is cookies. If I could give my mom anything, I would give her an orange. While I'm at school, my mom sits in the car. What I love most about my mom is getting kisses. Aww. Thank you, Ray Ray. So we took a shower earlier, so I'm not going to tonight. We're just gonna brush teeth, play a little bit more because she's still full of energy. She's getting ready to paint, but we're gonna have to get ready to sleep soon. Mama has to go to work tomorrow. Lily has to go to school tomorrow. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos always. I really appreciate it. And
Mom.
I will do it. I will color with you. Alright, so have a good night. And I'll see you in my next video.
I'll see you next video. Bye.
Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay, come here. I don't know if you want to say bye-bye over there.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Chocolate. Say bye-bye.
Don't say bye-bye.
Thank you.
First, I can